الكرام.
لا توكلنا على الله ولا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله.
متحدين نقف، متفرقين نسقط.
ميزنا الله بأن لنا عقلا يتدبر ويهيم بأرجاء الدنيا كي يسعد فيها ويعمر. We once had a teacher, the teacher of teachers. He changed the world for the better and made us better creatures. Oh Allah, we've shamed ourselves, we've strayed from our name. Surely we've wronged ourselves, what will we say in front of it?
مبارك أولاد الجو. بدأت دراسة العربية في نيجيريا ولا زلت أدرس، والآن أطور نفسي هنا في Texas Arabic Academy والحمد لله. الحمد لله رب العالمين. My name is Mubarak Oladajo. I began learning Arabic language in Nigeria. I did not stop after that. I moved here to the United States and I continued here studying under Texas Arabic Academy. الحمد لله رب العالمين.
يا مصطفى يا شفيع العالمين يا مصطفى يا إمام المرسلين يا مصطفى يا شفيع العالمين. He prayed while others slept, while others ate. He'd fast while they would laugh. He wept until he breathed his last. His only wish was for us to be among the ones who prosper. Ya Mu'allim, peace be upon you, truly you are our teacher. Mu'allim, he was Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.
Marhaba, my name is Mervat. I'm 15 years old and I've been going to Texas Arabic Academy for about 3 months now. Texas Arabic Academy is really cool because we learn to read, write, and spell really fast. Miss Aisha helps a lot. She's super nice and friendly. Everybody that goes to the school is friendly and I love it at Texas Arabic Academy. I'm a student here at Texas Arabic Academy. And I already learned so much, like reading, writing, Quran, and I'm even learning how to pray. The environment here is great.
Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Texas Arabic Academy is a great place to learn Arabic, and teachers and instructors here are very kind and very knowledgeable.
طاهر محمد عارف مرزوقي، قادم من إندونيسيا. أنا خريج كلية الشريعة بمعهد العلوم الإسلامية والعربية في جاكرتا، تكساس Arabic Academy. وهذا المعهد المبارك ليس فقط يعني مكان لأن يتعلم فيه اللغة العربية للمبتدئين فقط، حتى خريج الشرق الأوسط والجامعات في البلدان العربية بإمكانهم أن يطوروا أنفسهم يعني علوما شرعيا أو من ناحية اللغة. فهنيئا للقائمين بهذا المعهد.